Hello, my name is Wasim Dasa and I am presenting this presentation on machine learning oral examination. My class teacher of this topic is Dr. Rachel Chhatwala sir. This is the outline. So we will be talking about the introduction, concept, working, code, the explanation, application, result, conclusion, and then in the last we will talking about references. So, introduction. So, classification is the task of assigning predefined disjoint category to objects. If, uh, if we want to understand the concept of linear regression model, so first we uh, we will have to understand the what is the classification. So uh, I want to explain the classification in a real life example. This is something that we do very often. If we want to buy a new mobile phone, then we keep looking at the newer models and then try to figure out uh, based on the budget which could be the best within the budget and that what kind of reviews is on e-commerce site, and then based on that reviews we finally pick up the right one. So if uh, we have uh, got a review data then 1 GB, then we do classification and then we further proceed. So we we can understand the meaning of classification from this real life example, and now what is the linear regression? So like linear regression can be considered a machine learning algorithm that allow us to map numeric inputs to numeric outputs. Fitting a line into the data points, we model our system with a linear combination of features to produce one output. Uh, so, for the better understanding, I want to give a real life example on what is the meaning of linear regression. So, uh, if you want to find out the annual sale of any company, then first we have to find out the how many factors we have to find out how many factors that can affect the sale, like profit, loss, sold product, etc. So we can say that all these factors are independent variables, and the uh, annual sale is the dependent variable. So in a linear regression, we make a relationship between independent and dependent variables, and basically we can say we uh, make a boundaries between the uh, two classes. So this is the concept. If we have the set of mixed data, mixed options, so uh, we have to classify that object in different category. Then we use a model called linear regression. So the input is a collection of records, and each record is represented by a tuple like xy, where x equal to x1, x2, x3, and so on, and y equal to y1, y2, and y3, and so on, are the features and the classes respectively. So the tuple x, y are related by unknown function. Then the goal is to estimate a function gx, also known as classify function, such that gx equal to fx. So concept is we give input like x1, x2, x3, x4, anything to the classification model. Then uh, we will get output y1, y2, y3, and like we can see x. If we give the input x, then uh, the gx function will make, and then our output gx equal to fx. So what we here we have a linearly separable set of points, and each point is two-dimensional point. It is going to give a straight line that separates the point. So we require two parameters: is fitting a straight line to given data set required called W and W naught. W is basically a weight, uh, and W naught is bias. The decision rule divides the point space into two subspaces using boundary. Okay? And then distance of the boundary from the origin is equal to W naught divided by W, absolute value of W, the distance of any point from the boundary. Okay? YD equal to Gx divided by value. Then I have tried to give a real example on the real uh, on the regression, linear regression. So here you can see x and y are the features. You can say object and data set. And there's a four features: one, two, three, four, and value one, two, three is the value of the feature, and then uh, formula is given e equal to summation of y, summation of x square minus summation of x, and summation of xy divided by n. N is the number of value of the feature. Then summation of x square minus summation of x the whole square. Then similarly b here, and we have to uh, find the relationship between x and y. So the relation is y equal to bx plus a. So uh, here we have the value of x and y. When we calculated, when I have calculated x into y and then x square, and I have put it the values in the formulas of a and b, and then I got the coefficient. Then I put the coefficient like A and B in the main formula, and then we uh, we we have the final relationship between x and y. And this is the code I have used. This is the explanation of the code. So first, import uh, matplotlib dot pyplot. This I have used matplot library. Then I have used NumPy as env for the safety, and then from sklearn import datasets linear model. I import linear model from skykit-learn. Then I load the data set from the skykit-learn, so it gives the data set diabetes data set. Then I used one feature. Then for the accuracy, I splitted the target and data into the training and testing sets. Then uh, this is how I apply regression. R rigor equal to linear model dot linear regression, and then I have written features using rigor dot fit, and this is the linear regression. So each coefficient have one weight, and then I have printed coefficient and plotted on the axis and lines. So this is the result I have got. An application. The real life application is helps in detection of spam emails and identifying the category of the incoming documents as sports, politics, entertainment, or business, and determine whether a movie review is positive or negative review. Find a set of mobile phones less than the price of 10,000 and receive the 5-star review. So the conclusion is linear regression is the process of finding a line that best fits the data points available on the plot so that we can use it to predict output values for input that are not present in the data set we have, with the belief that those outputs would fall on the line. And the performance, like error rates, depends on the various factors, including the how clean and consistent the data is. There are different way of improving the performance of the model. However, each one has its own pros and cons, which makes the choice of method application dependent. So, the linear regression is used in a wide variety of real-life situations across many different type of industries. Fortunately, statistical software makes it easy to perform linear regression. And this is the book that I refer, Introduction to Machine Learning with Python by Andreas P. And I'm going to show the code I have done in the Jupyter notebook. So this is the code I have written in the Jupyter notebook. You can see. Okay. And paste it. If I run this code, hmm, okay, so you can see the output is here, and if I have changed the value of data, like minus 10, I will have to change all the values. Change, change, if I run this, 7. Yes, so you can see the output here. Let me change the color, like red and blue. Yeah, so you see the color has changed the output. Wait, so here's the output of my program, and this is all about I have studied. Thank you.